pause the video so I can explain why I'm doing it this way. The title should be explanatory, but let's just go ahead and give you some verbiage behind my actions, and also what I'm writing down below in the video. Hopefully that's helping you guys. As you can see on this side of my head, because it's laying like this going down, you want the hair to fall on top of the braid, so it kind of gives it that volume. But then if you notice, when you flip it over, it'll be kind of flat, but then you can't really see it anyways as a knot. Okay, the last one to install on that roll right before the free-flowing one, you're gonna go ahead and do the same method, except instead of bringing the whole leg up, you're gonna divide it in two. Okay. This. Make sure it's even. Pull both legs through. Make sure it's still even. Alright, look at where it's extra. It's extra on this leg, so this is the leg that's gonna go up. Twist, twist, twist until some of the slack is taken away. See? Then we're gonna use this to clip that hair away that's staying under the braid. And then this one, we're gonna divide it in two. Why am I dividing it two? So that way it makes it look like there's a lot of hair and it's gonna cover. And so there you have it. It's divided, pull it. And then now it's like three legs. So 1, 2, and then the one that was under.